welcome back. Today we are making cookies that are Instagram worthy, mainly to bring to a party, but we're doing it the easy way and I want to show you how to do it. I will link everything you need down in the description as always, along with my socials, and let's get right into it. So first off, what you need is any frozen sugar cookie dough that you like. I happen to have two kinds because the store had two different kinds. So I have the Pillsbury flat kind, just little squares. And then I also have the tube kind. I was actually going for the big tube kind, but they didn't have it, so I just got the little tube and the squares. Both will work, it really doesn't matter. Or you can be like, you know, super awesome and make your own, but who has time for that? So I'm using the frozen kind, and then to decorate it with, we also have sweetened dried lemon slices from Trader Joe's. And I also have the orange slices. These are awesome, by the way. You can just eat them out of the package. They're delicious. They're really just the fruit slices. Like there's nothing else in them. Add them to drinks, add them to food, whatever you want. So good. Highly recommend. Anyway, let's get going. I'm going to change the camera angle and we'll get started. So start with your cookie tray. Go ahead and open up your sugar cookie dough. And since this is actually already in circles, I'm not going to roll it out or anything, just cut it. Doing about a little 1/4 inch or about almost a centimeter thick cookies, just trying to make them uniform. And then open up your slices. Press them right into the top of the cookie. They will melt into it a little bit. The lemon slices are smaller than the orange slices, but they are both pretty sweet and add a really beautiful bright citrus note. And I find that that helps cut the sweetness and just makes the cookie taste a little bit more homemade, a little bit more delicious, and it just looks beautiful. Go ahead and pop these in the oven according to the instructions, usually about 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on the oven, depends on which sugar cookie dough you use, if it's homemade or from a package. But yeah, let's get these in the oven. These look pretty good, but if you're not 100% happy with the way they look, just take a normal water glass, and while they're still warm, round them up. You do have to work quickly with this. It's not going to work once the sugar starts cooling down and hardening. You can also just kind of stamp them out while they're cold, or while they're cooling, I should say. Here we go. Transfer them to a cooling rack. Just like that to let them cool. And it's time for the best part of baking, the sampling. So my cookie's still a little warm, but whatever. Sorry, that was not a graceful bite. Really good though. So this is one of the orange ones. And I think I said earlier, but the citrus really just kind of adds a brightness to the cookie. It takes away some of the sugariness or sweetness, I guess, which is great because these are store-bought dough. So they can be a little bit on the cloyingly sweet side, but they are still really sweet. The fruit's really sweet in and of itself. Super good, really delicious. I'm gonna add some pictures at the end, and I'm gonna be adding some pictures on my Instagram because that's the whole point of these cookies. Also to bring them to the potluck party that I'm going to tomorrow. But I hope you guys like this video. I'll link everything you need down in the description along with my socials. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you here soon. Bye.